all you do, can you do this together time hip roll, where they're both in front, both in back, both in front, both in back? So from here, you can take either hand and cross it to the other side. And I'm crossing it so that it's on the inside as opposed to the outside. And by inside, I mean closer to my hip rather than farther. And then you just do it in same time instead of split time. So it's just a variation on the regular waist wrap, just done in together time. Because you change the orientation. Right, you do an extra beat in the back to change the orientation so that the other hand is closer. God damn, I wish I were not as fat as I am right now. It'd be much easier to do this move. When I cross to this side, I come back behind to there. I don't bring the hands back into the hip rail.